Okay, hi everyone. Let's have a look at this slightly more challenging momentum calculation, which has a second part that we'll go through at the end. So we've got two supermarket trolleys. We know their mass and we know their velocity. The first part of the question is to calculate the momentum for each of the trolleys. So we're going to be doing the calculation for both trolleys. Trolley A, remembering that momentum is mass times velocity, that mass is the kilograms, velocity is the meters per second. Trolley A's mass is 8, its velocity is 2, its momentum is 16 kilogram meters per second. Let's do the same for trolley B. Trolley B's momentum, again, is its mass times its velocity. Its mass is 4, its velocity is 0.5, its momentum is 2 kilogram meters per second. Now, momentum is a vector, so it matters that these two numbers have direction and the momentum for both trolleys is to the right. So when we talk about the total momentum here, the total momentum of the combined system of both trolleys is 16 plus 2, which is 18 kilogram meters per second. We can add them together because both of them are acting to the right. Now that number is important in the second part of the calculation here because the trolleys collide and join together and move off together. So effectively A has bumped into a B. They've become like one trolley with a combined mass, and we're being asked to calculate the velocity that they move off together at. We know that momentum is conserved. That means that the momentum of the combined trolleys will also be 18 kilogram meters per second. We also know their combined mass will be 8 kilograms plus 4 kilograms, which makes 12. So we could write down now that when they collide and move off together, that their momentum, which is 18, will be equal to their mass, which is 12, multiplied by the velocity that they're traveling at. Now we don't know the velocity, and that's what we're being asked to find out. So we're going to rearrange this equation here to say that V will be 18 over 12, which equals 1.5 meters per second to the right. Let's see if it makes sense. The two trolleys collide, they stick together and they move off to the right. That's what you'd expect at a lower velocity than trolley A, but a higher velocity than trolley B. The answer for part 2 is 1.5 meters per second to the right.